Okay, there they are. Let's see, somebody bring me, let's do Star. Sit down right there. Set her down. There's Miss Star. Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. Hi, baby. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Oh, she's gonna look like Duke. She's got a nice little back. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, tired thing. There's her cute back. She's gonna be a nice light black and silver. Oh, yes, you got a sweet face. Can you say hi, Mommy? Hi, Mommy. Okay, next, let's do Luna.
This one's Luna.
Okay, bye, Star. And here is Luna. Oh, she has a lot to say. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. She's got her cute little white little tippy toes. Come here, baby. Come on. She's nice color, all black, with a little bit of gray, her eyebrows. Cute little face. Good girl, baby. Say hi, Mommy, Daddy. Hi, Mommy, Daddy. Hi, baby. Oh, there you are. Your cute little feet. Gonna move around? Can I move around? Yeah. Oh, gonna get up and walk around. Oh, look, everybody else is over there. Oh, there you are. You gonna go for a walk? Come on, baby. Look, everybody's watching you. Like, come on. Come on, let's go play. There's Luna. Okay, let's do Windy.
Go.
All right. Oh,
There's Windy.
There's Windy. Good girl, she's got a nice little face. Oh, sweetie. And look, the baby little, they all have the little white tippy toes. Where's she going? Oh, Teddy's got a lot to say. Windy, she's got nice color. She's gonna be real pretty, black and silver. Pretty girl. Oh, you scared? Oh, you scared? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here, put her over there with the other ones. And then let's get Gus. And here's this big boy. Oh, he's the tiny little squishy. Look at his little face. Hey, Gus, where are you going? Where are you going, big boy? You gonna go for a walk? Look at his cute little face. Look at your cute little face. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Come back. Where are you going? Oh, gonna go in a circle. Gonna come over here and see me. Look how cute you are. Oh, stretch. Good stretching. Hi, buddy. Oh. Oh. Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. Look, there they are. Oh, Teddy's got a lot to say. And then here is Teddy. He is our big boy who's got a lot to say. He is so pretty. Great little face. Huh, big boy. Huh, big boy. He is going to be nicely coated. Huh, where are you going? Where are you going? You want to say hi? Oh, Teddy, where are you going? Looks like a little Rottweiler. Oh, buddy. Oh, here he is. That's our cute little Teddy. Look at him watch you. Oh. Oh. His long eyelashes. Oh my goodness. You gonna bark at me? Gonna bark at me? Come on, what you wanna say? Teddy, Teddy. Ooh. Ooh. Where are they? You wanna go cuddle? Alright, go put him back and then let's bring Lady out. Go grab Lady. No. Oh, where's Mommy? Here she comes. Here she comes. There's Mommy. Good girl, Lady. Oh. Good girl, Lady. Good girl, Lady. Got your babies. They're like, Mommy, we love you. Come back. Oh. Go get them, Lady. Look how fast. Look how good they're crawling. Yeah, good mama. Good mama. Rub your belly. Go get them. Go get your babies. Go get your babies. She's like, I'm out of here. Oh, poor Wendy. Where's that star? Yep, that star. Hi, babies. Look how cute you are, all crawling around. Oh, Teddy. Come on, Star. Come on, babies. Come on, look how Wendy just sits there. Oh, my goodness. Come on, Gus. Come on, Gussie Gus. He's gonna get her. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, say bye.